Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. Not to this side, but it's not. It's a good thing. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. Can you marry Fulani na magi chuku Mary has oboha ona. Can you marry Fulani Fulani na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ewo, mụ na nwanne gara ọgụ akpịrị ego, ife ajụnarịrị anyị. Ewo, mụ na nwanne gara ọgụ, nwanne re nwanne. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. Ka anyị merie Fulani ndị na-amaghị Chukwu, merie ha, zọgbuo ha ụna. My number one enemy is Fulanis. My number two enemies is Fulanis. My number three enemies is Fulanis. Ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achere aja oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Ihe m na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye m na-achere aja oke mmụọ. Onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ọ bụ ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. You cannot have the God I have, Arusi Nalibu, and you'll be afraid of Zoo Army or Zoo Police. They will come and arrest you. You cannot catch the wind. You cannot catch wind. You know if you catch wind for hand. You know if you catch wind. Oh, if you human being can catch wind, then they can catch me. N'ihi na ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Ihe m na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ. Onye m na-echere aja oke mmụọ, arụsị m na-echere aja oke mmụọ. I am the most wanted man by the Muslims to kill. There is a fatwa, that is money in my head. Say, if you bring this boy ahead, we will pay you so amount of money. If you bring General Memo ahead, we will pay you so amount of money. But they cannot do me anything because I am not joking. When I tell you I am a native doctor, I am not joking. Let me tell you my experiences. The reason why I'm singing, let me explain to you what I mean by all this. The moment, listen, I did not become a Muslim that day I told you Buhari won election. I did not do it that day. I have been practicing with them, learning their skills and everything from Orile Iron Market in Lagos. Go there and ask. The moment I joined them in Benue State, most of them knew I was a spy. Most of them knew I came to study how to defeat the Islams, because I knew there was hopelessness, because I knew Jonathan was going to lose the election. But I have never known about anything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I have not heard about him. In fact, I heard about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the day he was arrested. Listen to me attentively. I want to tell you people today my story, because I am bigger than the Fulanis. I am more mightier than the Fulanis. I am the destroyer of the Fulani Empire. Fulani will always be at my feet forever and ever. So whatsoever manipulation they want to bring in to possess anybody, because they have done one magic now against somebody, I don't want to entertain them by calling names, but today we are going to break it. Nihina, Fulani are learners and Hamwam. Fulani are learners, then they learn work. They know nothing. They cannot penetrate the ranks. They cannot penetrate the hierarchies of those who are sincere in this Biafra struggle. They don't compete. They don't put their way. Who are they? They are child's play. They learn work. Nina dibia war, dibia zaguaria. Onya mabe, onya moze baria. Ndotu go, ndotu oze buaria. Oto akodi. Ya wo munem de omo kasiri yakodi. Yakodi. So, let me save you some long stories. The moment I became a Muslim, they announced it in paper everywhere. Hey, this copper don't convert to Muslim. This, that, Many of the Erika Muslims, those who are using spiritual powers in Islam, those caliphate. Listen, the caliphate is not Wahhabi. The caliphate is Qadariya. How many of you know it? How many of you know the religion Osman Dafodio brought to the zoo? Osman Dafodio brought a religion called Qadariya. How did I know? Because I went there. The only way you can know is to go there. America will send their spy to another country to go and find that issue. When that spy comes back to come and say what if found out, is it not to the advantage of America? Is it not to the advantage of that country? Osman Dan Fodio brought a branch of Islam called Qadariya. Qadariya is pure black magic. Pure black magic. There is nothing like Allah in it. They are just going to the mosque just to blend. The real thing they are doing is pure black magic. That is the religion Osman Dan Fodio brought. That was why he succeeded in destroying the Hausa kingdom. How many of you know this now? I have been there. I have seen it. The moment I came, the caliphate, they knew I was a spy. Make no mistake about it. They knew I was a spy. Now, how do I get the information and come out? As a native doctor, why I be? I know they cannot destroy me physically. They can only attempt to destroy me spiritually. How protected am I? Okay, more. Even that Bible that the Christians read, they tell you there are places angels dread to enter. Me, General Memo, the demon of the East, I enter places where angels they dread to enter. They knew I was a spy, but yet I wanted to get the information that I wanted. I knew spiritually they cannot destroy me. Look at the first attack. The first attack happened in Boko, at Copper's Lodge in Boko. Two Tijaniya, one was from Ilorin, the other one was from either Bauchi or it's either Bauchi or Katsina, but he's Fulani. The Ilorin, that was the first time in my life I saw an Ilorin boy telling me that he's Fulani. Somebody from Ilorin in the midst of Yoruba people, he tell me say him be Fulani. But he speaks Yoruba very well. He looks like Yoruba people. But he told me boldly that he is Fulani in Boko. Copper's Lodge, the Muslim Copper's Lodge in Boko. So that night, the two of them became angry with me. They wanted to deal with me. The moment they slept, they came out. They came out from their body and began to attack me. The attack, you know, sometimes people will sleep and they don't wake up. You ask what happened. That was the manner of attack they were doing to me. But because I am a native doctor, the moment they brought their own, I brought also my own. I started fighting. In the course of the fighting, they ran away. I had the power to kill them, but if I kill them, I will attract so many pressure on me. And this is just the beginning of the movement, and I am not looking for them. It is not them that I wanted at that time. I wanted to know, first of all, there are three people I was seeking to know. 1, ISIS. 2, Boko Haram. 3, Fulani headsmen. I wanted to know who they are, what they are. Now, Fulani headsmen, in Fulani race, Fulani as a tribe now, has 30% of them living in the houses. They call them Fulani Ngida, those who live in the house. They have 30% of them. The remaining, some narrations say 20% of them. The remaining Fulani are all herdsmen. They move with cattle. The larger population of the Fulanis, 70 to 80% of them are herdsmen. How many of you know this? You can only know when you come close to them. The reason why I am fighting them, the manner I'm fighting them, is because I know them. No one can dare to do what BSMS is doing in Biafra land now. No. I'm daring it because I have power. Each time I feel my hand, I see the energy. I see it as if they draw. And I see, I feel I get power. I need a brag about them. I get out. You are wondering why have I not been arrested? Wow. Instead of you to be giving praise to Chukwu Okeabiama that he has sustained me, you are blaming Chukwu Okeabiama. You are blaming Chukwu Okeabiama. You are telling Chukwu Okeabiama, why haven't you allowed the police to arrest him? In the Biafra struggle that we are still fighting the last minute fight. In 30 days now, we don't know what the Fulanis are planning to do. I am not the type that says they killed us, hey, they arrested us, they do. BSMS, the vision is now we killed them, we arrested them, we caught them, we destroyed them. Nobody told me about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I was still investigating. I was still doing my investigations when I heard about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I knew he was genuine. I started supporting him the little way I can. I was still doing my investigation. This investigation took me to the American embassy. I know what happened in the American embassy. I am not just an ordinary person. I saved American life. You can't just come and arrest me like that. I saved American life. And they talk about always. Has the American embassy said it's a lie? If I'm lying, let the American embassy come out and say it's a lie. I'm popular now, so let me say it out. I saved lives in American embassy. Can they forget me? Somebody who ISIS wanted to bomb American embassy. I knew about it. I took the information to them. I even told the Israelis too. I told the Israeli embassy and also told them. And you think I'm ordinary? Because I have not been arrested and you are not happy that I should be arrested. If I don't, see, if not be said a Biafra issue, I will turn you upside down. I will let you, I will play that sample while they do them. But in Biafra, I have learned to forgive Biafrans. I've learned to fight the Fulanis. Except we are moving train now. This BSMS issue, we have more. You see this water? Bright CSO Port Harcourt will testify on this water. Volunteers in Port Harcourt, plenty of them will testify on this water. This is the day I went to Chukwu Okike Abiama in Arochukwu to go and swear my oath. In that oath, Chukwu Okike Abiama told us, as long as you are faithful in Biafra, nothing will happen to you, and that is what is happening to me. Nothing is happening to me. I am the one killing, not them killing me. I am the terrorist to the terrorist. Now me be the nightmare of Fulanis. Whether you like am or you don't like am, now waiting Chukwu Okike Abiama don't carry, give me for hand. And as a moving train, you are just a human being. They will crush you and use you as oil for smooth operation. BSMS have come to stay. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are very loyal to him because I know he is genuine. The day he called me on the phone, the thing was flowing. If you believe in chain and command, you shouldn't oppose your leader. If you sincerely believe in chain and command, you shouldn't oppose your leader. We are at the dying minute of the war. We need to secure as far as Southern Kaduna. Zaria should be the theater of war. Sometimes I need to speak like this so that, because what the Fulanis do, what their Malams are doing now, is that they want to create a kind of problem in Biafra struggle. You understand? So they will look for the weakest in the spirit and then implant something in his head. You understand? So that he will now come and be causing problem. But it will never happen in Biafra. Do you know how many deities have invoked in Igbo land? Do you know how many RCs have contacted? Say, RC, come and help us in this struggle. I am whiter than white. As long as Biafra struggle is concerned, I am whiter than white. I kept my picture so that when I be telling you that I did this work for Biafra's sake, I did this work for Biafra's sake, you will see those pictures and you testify, yes, true, this guy is rich. If Moses did not know about Egypt, he couldn't have defeated the Egyptians. I am a success today. Is because I know the enemies we are fighting. Not in a vision. I saw them one-on-one. I went there for that purpose and I got every information that I wanted. When I met Boko Haram, I left Abuja. I went to Kano to go and search for Boko Haram. I want to know who is Boko Haram. Who are they? What do they think like? Because the mysteries behind Boko Haram here, you don't have the same perspective I have with them. You don't have the same, because I know them. I've seen one. And I've seen him pray with people and he's talking to them, and I know they are Boko Harams. How did I find out? With my own hard-earned money, I went to Kano. I was going from mosque to mosque in places no Igbo man would dare to step that place. I didn't see one Igbo man. I didn't see one man, Ijo man, or Urubo man. I didn't see one there. I was the only one. N'ihi na ihe na-emebu ihe mmụọ, onye a na-echere aja bụ oke mmụọ. N'ihi na aga m aga ebe ndị mmụọ ozi na-atụ ụjọ ịga. N'ihi na enwere m arụsị m na-eji aga ije. I have power. Whether you like them, you don't like them, you cannot change it. The zoo government don't tire for me. They don't tire for me. They don't check me. They don't find me. They don't even see me. Nina, you cannot catch wind. You don't go fit catch wind. You don't go fit catch wind. Anything that happens to me today, know it that the arrows that I worship, that the gods of the land, that the power that exists wants it to happen. My life, my destiny is in the hand of no man. Stop using arrest as a yardstick. Stop destroying your first 11. I am terrorizing the Fulanis. The Fulanis are crying. This guy is killing us. This guy is killing us. And you are saying, no, it's Fulani that is sending them. Fulani is sending me to go and kill Fulani. No, they ask you now. Fulani, they send me to go and kill Fulani. How many of you have done anything? Do you know what I did yesterday? Do you know? Thank God if I do, I leave witnesses. Arusim na boku, oke mo, arusim na boku, oke mo, arusim ne cheraja, oke mo, arusim nefe, oke mo. I brag with what I have. Listen, BSMS forced me to put security in my house. BSMS forced me to put security in my house. My second in command, General Secretary Festus, in the shout. Masiana, iyem neme, no bu iyem mo, oyem ne cheraja, oke mo, harusim na boku, oke mo, harusim ne kele, oke mo, harusim na boku, oke mo, harusim ne fe, oke mo. I thought I said not to happen. I know to go happen. You don't know me. You don't know how I survive. You sit in the comfort of your house. They fuck your wife. We will day here, they suffer. I am the most wanted man in this country. Maybe how many times? How many times they don't declare me wanted for this country? Yes, Fulani they send me to go kill Fulani. Fulani is paying me to go and kill Fulani. They are paying me to go and kill Fulani headsmen. Okay. Ogbo obla Fulani ugboro. Abura neke, abura nori, abura nafo, abura nanko, ogere. Chukwu kika bia mandewo ekekero wandewo harusi etie no boy mmanwu kijele etie no boy ofono gukam jaga eke mpo ore afowero ndewo oguna banikwere ndewo ogugwa bihiala ndewo ike gigbo onu mekele gi o mama hinel mama ni wowolipa arusia hinel arusia yo agbaye boye pu wowolipa ego ye mo ye pu ali pali pario ala Biafra togobo. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. The zoo has fallen already. Wherever you are. Tonight, we are going to do a very, very powerful ritual. Tonight, we will do a very strong ritual. That ritual we will do this night, we will break many things. Tonight, we will invoke the gods of the land. All the powers that be, we will invoke them. We will break one, the chain of cultism. Anything we make people see they think of God, I will break them tomorrow night, this night. From 12 o'clock this night. 12 o'clock, we will break them. That juju we Fulani stone give our brother, Master George Oyibe, we will break them. Because they don't cast the same thing when they do after they don't do unto them. In his comment, he said, that one better pass, that one his comment is changing. Tonight we will break him, make him get himself, make him do the work when they send her to do. We love him, we don't hate him. Because I'm not prepared. My duty, by to go carry me to the baby. Where water be this, now your water be this. Now that river, and the water be this. Now the water be this. As you have Jordan River there, that's all we get here. As you have it in Israel, so it is here, and the water be this. He promised me, say, if I go maintain, I don't go betray Biafra, so don't go feed me anything, and that is what is happening. I am not betraying. I am serving. I am serving. And to go to Biafra, bear witness. You don't know what I did yesterday. Mona people know. The ones I want to show you, I show you. The ones I don't want to show you, I won't show you. Until a time will come. Do you know my strength? Because Biafra is a team of spirits. Biafra we hear more. Do not be concerned about what people say about you. Remember that there is a rewarder, and the rewarder is Chukwokika Biama. He will reward you when you do well. So keep doing well. As you are doing well, Chukwokika Biama will really reward you. Because listen to that song that Mazi used to sing to people. Listen to that song again. In the sea, he know who be fake, he know who be real, he know who be fake, he know who be real. You cannot change it. Let that sink in your head. You cannot use your mouth to destroy anybody. It is only Chukwokika Biama that will destroy anybody. Even as powerful as Mazi is very careful not to offend Chukwokika Biama. The day I spoke to him on phone, I heard it in his voice. He's very careful in what he's doing. Because I encourage you, whatsoever you're doing, do it for Biafra. Don't go and ask anybody, hey, do I do this thing? Fulani will kill you, and you go there, they talk. Me, I dey kill Fulani. Biafra don't come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemo they come, oh. You no go giri, you must giri, oh. Biafra don't come, oh. mercy don't come. Amen, don't come. You no go giri, you must giri. You hear them? Biafra don't come. BSMS don't come. Amen, don't come. You no go giri, you must giri. This is the voice where Fulani they hear the Shiva. I'm very proud. Now in the hospital of my own father's elder sister. Here, but not very close. Opposite a Catholic church. I'm from a royal home. A royal dynasty that has lasted for many years with evidence, proofs. What I am doing in BSMS, Chijirim, you are not in the town hall meeting of Chukwuokike Abiama. You don't know who Chukwuokike Abiama has appointed. All you know is the ones that are physical to you. You don't even know anything. When Chukwuokike Abiama drew the map of Biafra, he placed everybody his own role to play. Everybody gets a role. You do this one, you do this one, you do this one. Amemon one harusi nyerem. Ahamu Chukwuma Dike nwa muje nwa Dike nwa Josiah Dike nwa Dike. Omo the nightmare of the Fulanis. Omo the terrorist to the terrorist. Omo arusi ka arusi, mo ka mo abura ka abura. Omo the destroyer of the Fulani Empire, because I know who they are. I met Boko Haram in Kano. How did I meet Boko Haram? I was spying them in every mosque. I was just going to mosque. If I go and pray, I come out. If I go and pray, I come out. If I go and pray, I come out. I just go mosque. And when I'm praying, I am not praying to that God. I'm praying to. Did you hear me? Anytime I pray there, I'm not praying to that God. I'm praying to my own God. Because my own God is the owner of everything. That thing that they are doing, my own God is the owner of it. If you know that, you'll be free. That is consciousness. So when I was praying that, one day I was answering call and I spoke Igbo. Abuki woke up, meet me. Ke inyamareni? Say yes, inyamareni. Ke Muslimi? I say yes, I'm Muslimi. And that was it. The conversation started. From his actions, I knew this guy is rugged. Let me use that word, the southern word for people like that. He's rugged. And him being rugged and being religious, there is something attached to it. Because Boko Haram is the union of a rugged man and a religious man joining one. He's rugged and he's religious. That's you see called Boko Haram or ISIS or Al-Qaeda or whatsoever they call themselves. Those terrorists. That person you are seeing is two people, a rugged man and a religious man. When I discovered that he's that type, and I started playing religion for him. I started playing religion. Before the normal prayer, I will first of all do there's one called Nafila. That's prayer before the main prayer. I will do it and I'll do it after. So he was seeing me as very religious. He called me one day and said, that do I know how to pray? I told him yes, like I said Surah Fatiha. He said, okay, he was first of all, he was like, no, I wish they convert to Islam. I I told him I can recite it. Just tell me to recite it and I will recite it for you. He said, okay, recite it. Meanwhile, remember, I have been in this game since Orila Ayomakete. That was where I learned everything. Because I'm a wise man. I began to recite it for him. He became mad. He tell me, say, the way where they used to recite and say himself, you know, if you recite like that. Alhamdulillah, in the shout, because they are very religious. They were just like those ancient born again. Those days when born again start, where even if you're a killer, you become a born again, they will love you, he bless you, he carry you come to the house. Even if you're a thief, they will love you, he bless you. Those days of born again, not now. That was how it was. The guy welcomed me. We are talking, we are gisting. Until I asked him that I want to know, this thing that Boko Haram is doing, is it good or bad? He was shocked. He looked me. Because it is forbidden in Islam not to answer questions. In the Wahhabi Islam, any question they ask you concerning the religion, if you don't answer it, you might even go to hellfire. Have this thing at the back of your mind, because people should be asking us, how did we succeed to do it where nobody has done, and learn from us. Now, there is clause in Islam. Every Wahhabi Muslim, anybody will meet you, tell you, say, teach me this, teach me that in Islam. If you refuse to do it, that thing alone can send you to hellfire. So I knew this thing, I knew it. So I asked him that question. Tell me, this Boko Haram thing, is it good or bad? He stopped. He looked at me. He looked at me very, very well. And he started talking. He started vomiting. As he was talking, I was very happy. I said, yes, I've gotten what I wanted. I was responding, Allahu Akbar, mashallah, mashallah. Do you know why I stopped the investigation of this Boko Haram boy? He told me that we are going to go to Bruno, that is going to introduce me to the highest command, that they will train me on how to use IED and release to me female shaheeds. I will take them to Lagos, show them location, and then blow them. Then they will blow themselves there, and I will make 50 million each blow. If I carry the girl, go Lagos, I don't learn how to miss the IED now. You understand? That is, they will carry me to the training, and teach me how to. First of all, listen to me attentively before rubbish people will start talking rubbish. Listen to me. When I met that guy, the Boko Haram guy, he told me that he would take me to the highest command of Boko Haram. That is the Shura. That is Shekarau them. Because I met Shekarau Kater. That he would take me to that place. Now, after, they will teach me how to do IED. That is those bombs. After teaching me, then they will now release to me female suicide bombers, female shaheeds. Shaheed is suicide bomber. I will not take those girls to Lagos, buy those components, the ones I can carry to go, I'll carry them to go, buy the components, mix the IED, place it on that girl's body, take her to Oshodi, or to Maitu, or to Alaba International, or to any market. They are mentioning names of markets. So these names, the ones I called, was the ones they called themselves. Then when I reach there, I will not place the girl and go, she will not blow herself. I'll come back to Medjugorje again, pick another girl again. That's what I'll be doing. Each blow, 50 million. Each blow, each one where she blow herself, 50 million. I remember saying it so many times ago. I've said it many times. I've said it many times. And people were like, I remember somebody called me and said, like, do Boko Haram have 50 million? Now, the government, the zoo government is telling you that Boko Haram is earning 1 million every day. You think they are poor? You don't know them now. You don't know them. That is the problem. You will stay in your house and you will analyze it. By now, we should have people in Boko Haram. By now, we should have a spy in Boko Haram. We should have a spy in Boko Haram. By now, we should have a spy in ISIS. If you talk something like that, some people who don't know much and who don't want to stay in their role will not be arguing you. You think you are going to leave Southern Kaduna? The main battle will start the day we get Biafra. The day Biafra is achieved, that is where the main battle will start. What is the battle? There will be power tussle in the north. Mark my word, there will be power tussle in the north. Between who and who? Between the Caliphate, ISIS, Boko Haram. These are the three major weights, and Shia, four major weights that will be fighting in the north. Now, there will be other small wars that will be going on. The war between Erika and Izala will be going on. So the north will be so, no one knows who is going to take over. No one knows who's going to rule. Anyone that rules, the only way he will stay in power is to show how extreme he is. Just like what is happening in Somalia. The only way you can sustain themselves there is to show that you are more brutal, that you are more rugged, you are more violent. And you must be more violent for them to believe you. That is where the war starts. That is the main war. That is the reason why I want to go and know who they are. They will come here and tell you that the Muslims are united. You see some even prominent Biafrans telling you that the Muslims are united. Elego, you've not been there. You don't know about them. Listen to us that know about them. You will be saying, no, he has been there. Why should he go there? And you want to fight them as a country. Do you know how many spies America have everywhere in the world? Tomorrow America will say that spy, hey, no, you've gone to that place. You don't come out to America again. And you want to create a country. Ihe anyị na-eme ọ bụ ihe mmụọ onye anyị na-echere aja oke mmụọ arụsị m na-akpọku oke mmụọ Chukwu okike abịama oke mmụọ Chukwu okike abịama oke mmụọ arụsị m na-akpọku oke mmụọ Chukwu okike abịama oke mmụọ ibi n'ụkpabio oke mmụọ. Do you know why I love Mazi most? The introduction of oath. That oath that we will take in Chukwu okike abịama. Hey, that place work finish. Nigeria work finish. Nigeria gossip finish. Nigeria sabotage finish. Don't worry yourself about. Now me they create sabotage for the zoo army, for zoo police, for zoo everywhere. I'm a Burunu film. Tomorrow I go show you a zoo police officer. A BSMS member, inner caucus of BSMS that was sacked because they now discover that he's a BSMS member. He's going to come and testify. I've invited him. Do you know about this one? He's not even Igbo. He's from Cross River State. He will speak his language. You will carry your eyes here. Okay, cannot be in the same school of thought. Any family where you come, they're supposed to get the one where they come. They're supposed to get the one where they're very radical. At least when the enemy see that radical one, they go fear. Me, I'm ready to do genocide if the Fulani do genocide. If Fulani kill the man, I go kill. You don't know what I'm doing on the ground. But everything that I've done, have people who can testify to it. That was the time they were saying, oh no, it's not in Nigeria, it's not in Biafra, it's in Ghana, it's in and they went and whispered to a woman that the woman stays in abroad. She sent her son to my house last year when I began. They came this year and whispered to the woman that no, these guys are in Ghana. Can't you see that Nana? Nana is a Ghana name. It's a Ghana name. These guys are in Ghana. The woman said, if I have not sent my son to go to your house, say I will believe what you talk. If I had not sent my son to go to your house, I will believe what you talk. But I don't send my son to go to your house. My son came to your house and called me on the phone saying they here. Carry the phone, give you me and you follow talk. Fortunately, the woman is a neighboring village, so it is too clear. The man was still arguing the woman. You don't know what they talk. And the woman became mad. I said, Nwadim in Igbo means this is my husband's brother. She's not from this, she's from Abia State. This is my husband's brother. I know their house, I know their village. I have sent my son to their house, and you are still telling me he's in Ghana. These are the people that we see water and call it sand. Very directly opposite. They will see water and say this is sand. This thing that is doing is sand, but the sand is just doing like this. Sand is to do like this. So we don't need such people. Such people, Fulani won't chop them. This night we will break out. Every cause Fulani don't release now to bring division, to bring whatsoever. This night ritual, even as I come out from here, I will begin the process. I'm going to break up, the break up, the break up, the break up, forever and ever. But this night, Nahima will do the main one. Obigidere du gatolojo. Obigidere du na chukwu kika bia mamari homo gemera nile. Obigidere du. Now we they create sabotage for Zoo government, even in their offices, everywhere they go to sabotage them. Not before Biafra. Somewhere we hear a man gossip, no go do us anything. What can they do? Can have they been able to destroy me? Do you know how much sabotage I've suffered? The SA of my village went and met army men to come and arrest me. I came to my house, I told the house, yes, Africa State. Said nobody to come here. Have you been to my place before? Do you know the kind of things that I do? When I say I'm a native doctor, you think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? If you think I'm joking, the Fulani herdsmen don't think I'm joking. No. They know I am their killer. Give me the opportunity to serve Biafra. Stop fighting Chukwu Okike Abiama, who has appointed me in this ministry. Let me use that word. In this particular department, Chukwu Okike Abiama placed me there, not mortal. Nina ihe na-eme ọ bụ ihe mmụọ onye anyị na-echere aja bụ oke mmụọ. We've invited the spirits into it's no longer politics. Biafra issue no be politics. Biafra issue na religion na spiritual. Na spiritual matter. You know, go just come one morning, just be talk careless. You cannot call a clean man, a man who is whiter than white, who is doing a very good work for Chukwu Okike Abiama, for Biafra struggle, to emancipate the people. A man where enemy they fear, you can't accuse him wrongly. Chukwu Okike Abiama will destroy you. See you, see your death. See you, see your destruction. After your labor, you just can't destroy yourself. Do you know how many prophecies that they have said about me before I came out? Do you know who I am? If you want to know who I am, come close to me. Come and use your eye and see. If this thing you're seeing here is fake or real, come. Don't stay at your palo and then out of envy. And just, listen, I'm not stopping anybody to start rebellion against the Zoo government. I'm not stopping anybody. If do your own, fight the government. Carry your sword, face government, face Fulani. I carry my own sword, face Fulani. And they fight the key Fulani. And they fight and they keep Fulani. It's not the key Fulani. You can't fight. You can't the one. Is that not the highest sabotage? That is sabotage. It is too late for sabotage. Biafra matter don't go too far. It is too late to blackmail anybody. You cannot blackmail anybody in Biafra struggle again. It's not possible. People are wise. This is internet age for crying out loud. Anything you do, they are observing it. There are people who have been observing me since the day I started. Someone told me that they said, why I'm convinced about this because I have been observing you for a long time. I've observed it for a long time. For a very, very, very long time. My camp have opened. I am on ground. I am doing the work of the restoration of Biafra. I have witnesses who are seeing what I'm doing. Gossip, backbiting, all those rubbish cannot stop Biafra. It cannot stop the movement. If you think what I'm doing is easy, come and do it. If Chukwu Okeabiama did not give you the power, the anointing, let me use that word anointing, to do it, you know go fit do am. Everybody in my camp here has a job he's doing. He left the job and came to my camp. I am a graduate, political science. I've gone to service, I came to practice. I don't finish everything when they do to be a graduate. I am not that useless language you used. We never start to. The battle to restore Biafra never starts. The days ahead is very bloody. Time will come when men, those people they see the talk, they're going to sleep, they're going to run because the violence don't start. Time to prove yourself never reach, my brother. Now I go see they talk now. Time to do action, they come. Me, BSNS, don't start the action already. I don't activate the power. Fulani has no power over me, they are under my feet. I am the destroyer. Fulani will fall. Biafra has risen already. We cannot be stopped. We cannot be stopped. We cannot be stopped. We can never be stopped. Chukwu Okeabiama. Onye prominye niile. This is your symbol, Miriam. Ogun aka Biafra na kpoku. Oga kana keru. Ọwụrụ na zoo. Sịrị m BSMS. Mgbe ka m mụta. Ka m ghara ịhụ chi today. Ka m mụta. Mana ọwụ na awụ gị zoo dị na media. Ọwụ na mụ awụ gị terrorist Fulani herdsmen. Ọwụ mụ a. Ọwụ na mụ awụ gị terrorist Fulani herdsmen. Ka m dị ndụ. Ka m dị ndụ n'ala ndị dị ndụ. Ka m bụ ọgaranya. Ka m hụ Biafra. Ka Biafra mara m mma. If I'm betraying Biafra, let me die. But if I'm not betraying Biafra, I will live. I will be rich. I will be famous. I will be great. I will see Biafra. I will enjoy Biafra. Now I have to go to Biafra. He said, knowing fully well who I am, that I am the son of Chukwu Okeabiama. I'm the worker in his vineyard. Because in the church, I'm very happy because the zoo has fallen already. Onye with strong mind, the zoo has fallen already. Zoo no get mouth again. Zoo no get mouth again. Zoo is finished. I encourage all of you, be steadfast. Stop cultism. Stop anything cultism. Come and join BSMS. This night, I'm going to break every spirit holding people knowledge on cultism. I will bind everybody together. We will all be in BSMS. All of us will get mind to kill. We are going to be, BSMS is going to be the union of killers that will kill the Fulani herdsmen. That is the essence of BSMS. We are going to create an avenue. You that love killing, oh yeah, let's go and kill Fulani herdsmen. Let's go and have fun. Because if you kill Fulani herdsmen, you will be rich. If you kill Fulani herdsmen, you go to heaven. As I tell you now, that's so you be. All believers in the destruction of the Fulani herdsmen that have been killing our people, raping our women, arresting our members, especially those in IPOB, time for them to pay has come. No more negotiation. We don't negotiate with anybody. It is over. We are in Biafra land here. I dey here, me I dey here. Here we dey here. Take over this government. Prepare a level playing ground, and we will welcome our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in any of the airports of his choice. Any airport where you want land, you go fly come there with full military parade. We go bring them inside. Nobody will stop this mission. They don't burn you well. Nina iye neme obu ihe mo onye necheraja oke mo. Listen, a time came in my life. My third in command then began to oppose me, began to say all manner of lies about me. 2 days ago, he called my second in command, Ezechukwu Festus, to tell him to congratulate me that I'm doing a good job. But last year he came out live and said, hey, it be like this, it be like that, it be like this, it be like that. Someone called my number, a BSMS member, but I'll speak to him later. Last year he was all over the internet. I be this, I be that. He go call people phone. Don't donate to BSMS, so they are this, they are that. But 3 days ago, he called my second in command and told him that he should congratulate me that I'm doing a good job. But do you know the damage he caused that time? Due to getting obu. If you cannot do it, let the people that can do it now. It mustn't be I'm this for that. I'm the one that's supposed to inaugurate it. Who told you? It is Chukwu Okike Abiyama that owns everything. It is him that brought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out. That thing you are claiming you are this, you're supposed to do this. It's the same thing Wazirike is claiming. Yes, I was the one that brought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should come and account for me. Come and do this for me. Come and do. That is the same thing you're doing now. Chukwu Okike Abiyama chooses who will work for him, and you cannot stop it. Do you know how many people that have had one-on-one contact with me? Do you know how many people that have come to take their oaths? Do you know how far we've spread? You idea talking about, hey, Saboteur, they killed me, they did this. Me and they talk, I killed them. I said Saboteur in their midst. And you are angry, why should I be doing that? Are you serious in the actualization of Biafra? You think you will just be talking and talking only, and then you stay in your house and be sleeping and be fucking your wife? America will not send the army to come here and come and fight Fulani. America will send the army to come here and come and fight Fulani for you. You be fucking your wife after you come and take victory. You will not rule well. You will not rule well. But if you fought for the victory, you will value it. If you fought, if you fight, like I'm fighting now, you will value it. You will not be talking careless. You go first of all, come and carry your IC. May God deliver Mazi George Onyibe. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama deliver him. I don't know him. I have not watched his program because it's expensive to watch everything. And moreover, calls. I'm so concentrated in destroying Fulanis. I'm concentrating in creating BSMS everywhere. Those who will at my order behead Fulani people. Since they love beheading, which will not beheading. The more you behead, and the more you behead, the more rich you are. The more you make heaven. May God deliver him. May God deliver him. because the Fulanis have sent an occult manipulation to him. BSMS is a moving train. Nobody can stop it. He never in that video. He never called me a saboteur. He said, "Why haven't I been arrested?" I couldn't ask myself, "What will you benefit if I'm arrested? What is the profit? What will my arrest bring to the struggle?" Is getting arrested the criteria to get Biafra? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has paid the price for us. He has suffered the prison, not for only himself, but for the entire Biafra. And I spoke to him. I know what he didn't tell me. I know, say, it lasted for only few minutes, but straightforward, and oh God, Iran, because of getting I don't. We are in no swear, saying no. In that oath, listen, in that oath that we took the oath not to betray Biafra, not to be, and Mazi will not also betray us. That is what the oath is. Oh, we took the oath not to betray Biafra, to always support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Mazi Naboku. Okay, mo Harrison Naboku. In that oath, we swear we will not go betray Mazi, and Mazi will not go betray us too. That is why Mazi cannot betray us. We cannot betray him too. It rhymed. That is why the oath was very important. Now that oath finished the work. That oath finished the work for Biafra. That oath. You see that oath we take, that oath finished the work. That's why those who went against the oath, they don't understand. That oath made us to sustain the war up till now. After they killed that our strong man in Aba, do you know how many heavy men that have gone down? There was this man that was supposed to do this thing BSMS is doing now, the armed side of it. He was killed in along over something road. So I was told, DSS killer. Is that what you should be proud of? Okay, the only way to know say I'm serious is when DSS start killing me, we'll be losing. What if I achieve it? Is that one not much more better? Oh, Harusim Naboku, okay, more Harusim Netiraja. Oh, Harusim Naboku, okay, more Harusim Netiraja. Yeah, I know him more. Oh, yeah, Netiraja, okay, more. If you know this very fact, you won't have problem again. Just keep doing your work. Now, let me also advise you. There are other people around you whom are victim of name calling, snobbing, as a result of associating with me. Bear it at the back of your mind that this is how Mazi began. This Masol. Don't forget that Mazi was also a Masol before. Masol snubbed him, but look at him today. My former spy chief is now praising me. Because I am not following what you are telling me to do. I am following what Chukwuokike Abiam has directed me to do. Biafra struggle don't go far. A lot of people like me. A lot of people like me, believe in what I'm doing. A lot of people like me and believe in what I'm doing. And at the appointed time, they will bring the resources. Now, say it's appointed time, they will bring the resources and we will get every equipment we need and we will chase the Fulanis out of Biafra land. in your very eye you will see it. We will now bring in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu majestically into this place. Mazi said, I'm coming and I'm bringing hell. This is the hell. You will see it. It began. It has begun. You will see it. Hell is not where angels are. Hell is where the demons are. And I am the demon of the east. Nina ihe na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ. Onye anyị na-echere aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ọwụ na onye ji ahụ mkpu okwu a onye ọzọ mebi onye m hụrụ na onye adịghị onye ahụ onye nwere bad mind ebe ọ nọ n'abalị mgba ya sampụ emin n'ime ngwụla ya ọgwụ ngwụ ya ọgwụ ime ga-ere ọgwụ ahụ ogwu m ga-atụ ọwụ na ihe onye a kwuru eziokwu ka ihe lụta mee m mana ọwụ na ihe onye a kwuru wachi ihe lụta mee ntụ ogwu na n'ọgwụ anyị rele n'ihi na ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ onye anyị na-echere aja bụ oke mmụọ. This water I have in my hand here now, Mazi has drank from it. I have drank from it too. Only those who have been there knows what I'm saying. The moment you drink this water, I drink this water, we became one. You cannot betray me, I cannot betray you. You see why it is very impossible for you to convince Mazi about me evil, say rubbish about me? You cannot. You cannot. Because Miriam Giana, Miriam Sharuchu, Miriam, he drank it and I drank it also. He cannot betray me, I cannot betray him. That is the essence of that oath. That is why we became stronger. That is why the zoo cannot destroy us again. That is why the zoo cannot destroy us again. The first day I wanted to go for this oath, the zoo block road. Cause they come. Bright, don't go. Bright, stop the movement. Bright, the CSO of Port Harcourt had to call off. Because I announced it that I was going to go and take the oath. They blocked the whole road. The same zoo government blocked me from going to go and take oath. Why? Doesn't that sound something to you? That they know this guy is very serious. If he takes this oath, he will be in. They cancelled it. After 3 weeks, they called me again and I went. Now me be the first man. Bright made sure I was the first to take the oath. Only those who have been there know what I mean by first man. Because there are things you can't say it out. It's only those who have been there. Thank God for this oath. If not for this oath, people will just be blackmailing people. Hey, because you think you have been talking, people know you. So anybody you say is good is good. Anybody you say is bad is bad. You don't have such power. Nina, mortals, you are fearing the immortal. The terrorists, the government, they fear. They don't know what they want to do. I dare Tinubu. Can you dare Tinubu? I dare him for chance. Okay, I come to fight you. Ingo call police for. I came down to my ROC. Police, they find me. And he laughed. And he said, stay. They won't come. As at that time. Nina, I have faith. I'm not like your pastor. Ibinu babi, okay more, Amadi Hosusu, okay more, he can be bonile, okay more, as the one you koshimiri, okay more, as the one you koshimiri, as the hi, he and the man, oh, more, Hoyam na Bonoku, okay more, he and the man, oh, more, Hoyam na chukwu okike abịama. Oke mmụọ eze nwanyị oke osimiri. Oke mmụọ eze nwoke oke osimiri. Oke mmụọ arụsị na-akpọkuo. Oke mmụọ arụsị na-akpọkuo. Nọnyere m arụsị na-akpọku, chekwanụ m. Yagaje, thank you all. Thank you. BSMS is still open. Come and join BSMS. Say no to cultism. Bring that your moral. Amoku use go fight Fulani and destroy them forever. Finance BSMS. We need your finances. We need money. We need arms. We need bullets. We need guns. We need so many things. Finance us. Support us. Do not look at anybody's face. Just go straight and support us. Do not call anybody to ask any questions. Just go and support us. We are whiter than white. It is very clear. Except you want to bring the zoo caliphate system of administration, whereby there's a supreme law somewhere. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is humble. Look at what Clayton Odo said about him. He said he doesn't even like to be called supreme leader because he's very humble. I have spoken with him. All the very good. And more above all, the same oath he took, I have taken the oath. He took oath that he will not betray me. I also took oath that I will not betray him. And nothing will bring betrayal. Betrayal knows again. It don't expire. Betrayal don't expire. Saboteur don't expire. That's what saboteur. What they want to do? What they want to do? Saboteur is like the way saboteur right now is in this Biafra struggle. It's like somebody who carry hand. They blow tipper. We carry concrete. They blow. I go bust this tipper. I go bust this tipper. He could just die, and the tipper will not have any effect, any scratch in his body. Tipper will carry concrete. Person just go. They blow the tipper. The tipper bucket. They blow. Bah. I will destroy this tipper. Your hand will break, your hand will scatter, nothing will happen, the tipper will still they can't go. That is how it is. So stop bothering yourself about saboteur, about betrayal. Nothing! You cannot do anything. People will not come and say, no, Osinbajo went to US to go and tell the American government, and what you are saying is not the way it is. He forgot that I've already been to American embassy and I've told them. I told CIA in American embassy that comment that Buhari said that his wife belongs to the kitchen, to the living room, and to the other room, that it is an ISIS code. The man shocked. The man shocked. The man told his colleague, say, what this guy just said now, a lot of people share the same opinion in Washington. He turned and looked at me and said, what you just said now, many people share the same opinion in Washington. The seat of power. They know say Buhari na ISIS. So Osinbajo went there to tell them, say Buhari is not terrorist. Look at. Before you come to America, they hold that information. So going there to go and talk rubbish will only destroy your own. You need to destroy us. God will bless Biafra and bless everybody. I will stop here. Meet me in the night, 12 o'clock. We are going to break so many curses. Wherever you are watching me from, may Chukwukabiyama bless you. May Chukwukabiyama bless you. Each time I raise this hand, blessings happen. May Chukwukabiyama bless you. Bless you. Bless you now and forever. Say bye-bye.